Hello there, it's the Crypto Lunatic, the channel for crypto newbies, and today I bring you Cetus Protocol. Now, today is just really an explanation for you of how to look for projects that have real value, real value. Now, there's a lot of stuff in crypto. You've got meme coins. Is there any real value there? And yet meme coins outperform the market. Crypto's a crazy place, my friend. It is a crazy place. So this is really just to, if you want to put an investor hat on and actually look for value, this is just a very brief overview of how to look for the value. Which cryptos are actually making money? These are the things that you should be asking yourself, or certainly one of the things that it's a good thing to ask yourself. So follow me on a little journey and I'll show you how I found this. So here's CoinMarketCap. Now, before we look even further, we see that this is in a very interesting zone. 145 million is a small enough market cap to be in a potentially explosive zone, but it's formed enough that it's not in the degen zone. So it's still in the super high risk, but it is also in the very big potential, 145 million market cap. We also see with the circulating supply. Now, this is something you always want to look at, that 72.449% of the coins are released, which for a project this small is fairly good. We also see from the chart, now I couldn't get any information of what the investors went in at, but we see it started trading at 0.12. So this was back in 2023. And from where it started to where it is now, it's not even doubled. So this is an early enough entry point to make it very, very interesting. So let me show you how I found it. DeFi Llama. Now this is a phenomenal resource because it tells you which blockchains and projects are actually making money. Now I've noticed that Sui is getting a lot of attention at the moment. Some people are calling it the Solana killer. I think it would have to go a long way to actually be that, but its price has outperformed pretty much all of the other major blockchains recently. And there's a lot of people talking about it. So I thought I'd go and have a look. Now we see that Sui, the total value locked, has gone up slowly, but we see here, look, not so slow. Total value locked from here. If we go back just a month to the 20th of April, we see that it was the total value locked was 1.22 billion. Now here we are a month later, and it has almost doubled. So money is flowing into Sui. So this we can look at and we can see there's actual money going in here. We can follow the money. Follow the money, my friends. That's what I say. Let's follow the money. Now, if you go under here on DeFi Llama, we see who's actually making the money. And right at the very top here is Cetus. Now, look, these are the fees paid at almost $200,000 in the last 24 hours. And look, it's way outperforming anything that's close to it at the moment. So the main money maker on Sui is Cetus. And Cetus is a decentralized exchange where people trade tokens, which means that Cetus makes money whether crypto goes up or down. Because whether you're buying or selling your coins, Cetus gets a cut. So this is a solid business model. It's not dependent on the market going up or down. It makes money either side. So if you've got an investor hat on and you're looking, where is the money? You see Cetus made $200,000 almost in the last 24 hours. And money is flooding into Sui. So I've clicked on this and we go to here. Let's look a little bit deeper. Oh, look, it's even got more. It's over $200,000 now. And we can see, look, volume is going up, or it's certainly looking interesting. Revenue, fees, and revenue. Fees and revenue. So what we're seeing here is that revenue is roughly a quarter of the fees, roughly. So they're making money every day. This is a project that is making money and it's still early stage. Look, it is in the very low market cap zone. Now, people aren't really talking about Cetus, or certainly not a lot. We also go down, we see it's listed on Binance. It's listed on Binance. It's also listed on MEXC. Now, MEXC have sent me an affiliate code where you can save money on trading fees. I'll post it below this. I'm not necessarily promoting it. I'm just saying that if you are going to get in and you're seeing this and you wonder how to get in, then there's the opportunity to do so in the description of the video. And you will save money through trading there, apparently. But since I haven't posted this link before, I can't really comment on whether it's any good or not. So I'm not going to shill it. I'm just going to say that there's an opportunity to get in should you wish to. And this just says that it's a decentralized exchange. So there you go. Cetus is a very relatively low cap project that's actually making some decent money at the moment. And it's positioned beautifully on a blockchain that is getting increasing total value on there, increasing transactions, that's outperforming all of the other blockchains over the last 30 days. So there you go, my friends. This is really just to show you how to get involved, how to find these. And for the record, I'm not invested in Cetus. They're not paying me. I am just showing you, my crypto newbies, how to find projects that are actually profitable, that are actually making money, and to do a little bit of base level research. But like anything on here, it's not investment advice. It's just a way to show you how to find these projects before all of the big influencers start talking about them, which will be the point at when it's the top of the market, when the price is pumping up and everybody is aping in because they think, oh, am I too late putting it in? Now is the time to get into these projects when they're still relatively low in price. And this is just me showing you how to find them. And if you'd like more of my little news and reviews, then please do subscribe to the channel. If you want another one of my little videos, you will find it just there.